Guys, look at this question. Hello everyone, welcome back to Vyasa IAS CSAT course lecture number 29. So guys, let's start with this. Look at this question. What was it saying? A tradesman marks an article at rupees 205 more than cost price. He allows a discount of 10% on the mark price. Find the profit percent if the cost price is rupees X. Okay. So what this is saying, a tradesman marks an article at rupees 205 more than cost price. He allows a discount of 10% on the marked price. Find the profit percent if the cost price is X. So basically, cost price, it is saying you consider X. So selling price is equals to how much? See, actually here marked price is given. What is the marked price? X plus 205, because the question is saying. And what is selling price? So 10% discount is given on the marked price. So what will be selling price? 0.9 times, because 10% discount is given. So 10% तो चला गया, बचा कितना? 90%. So 90% for that I'll multiply this by 0.9. So it is asking find the percent profit. So what is percent profit? Okay, percentage profit is equals to selling price minus cost price divided by cost price. Now we know what is the selling price. X plus 205 into 0.9 minus X divided by X. So this will be 0.9X plus this will be 1845. Okay, this will be 1845 or 184.5. Okay, and this is minus X. Fine, and this divided by X. Now this is what 18.5 minus of, and this is profit percentage, so 100 will also be multiplied. So this 184.5 minus of 0.1x divided by x is equal to 100. Okay, this is 100. So 18450, this will become minus of 10x and this is become x. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, this is the thing. So I hope everybody is clear with this thing. Okay, I hope everybody is clear with this thing. Now let's move forward. Now look at this. A tradesman fixed his selling price of goods at 30% above cost price. He sells half the stock at this price, 1/4 of his stock at a discount of 15%, and the original price on the original and rest at a discount of 30% on the original selling price. Find the gain percent altogether. Okay, find the gain percent altogether. So basically what is this is saying, a tradesman fixed his selling price at 30% above cost price. Okay, fine. He sells half the stock at this price and 1/4 of its stock at a discount of 15% and the original selling price and this. So basically what is that, there is some price and then some cost price. So selling price is what? 30% greater than this cost price. Okay, and then 50% of the item he is selling at this price, and then after that 1/4, that means 1/4 of the item he is selling at 15% discount on the original selling price, and 1/4 of the item he is selling at 30% discount of the original selling price. So do one thing, we can consider what, that the price of each item is 10. Okay, that the price of each item is 10 and we take 10 items. Okay, so our cost price becomes how much? 100 rupees. Total cost price of all items become 100 rupees. We are taking 10 items with cost of 10 each. Okay, so if 30% profit is the selling price, so what is the selling price? 13 rupees. Okay, what is the selling price? 13 rupees. Fine. Now he is saying that 5 of the, like we are taking 10 items. Okay, we are taking 10 items. So half of these items are sold at this profit only. So we have 13 into 5. Fine. Plus what he is saying, what the question is saying, He sells half the stock at this price and 1/4 of his stock at 15% of the original selling price. So what is the original selling price? 13 rupees. And how many items he is selling? 1/4 of the item. Okay, 1/4 of the item means 1 by 4 of 10. Okay, 1 by 4 of 10. So what is 1 by 4 of 10? 2.5. Fine, 2.5. So 1/4 of the item he is selling at how much? At 15% of the discount of original selling price. So this will be 0.85 because 15% discount is given. So left is how much? 0.85. And 1/4 of the item, another quarter of the item is being sold on 70% the original. So sorry, 30% of the original selling price का डिस्काउंट है, इसका मतलब है कि 70% प्राइस बचा हुआ है. So 70% of the original selling price. So this will be 0.7. So this will be your selling price. Your cost price is equals to how much? Rupees 100. Okay. Your cost price is rupees 100. So this is how much? This is coming to be 65. Okay. This is coming to be 65. This will be how much? So see, let's take this common. Okay. So we have this 13 into 2.5 as common and 0.85. Okay. Plus 0.7 will be left inside. Okay, plus 0.7 will be left inside. So this you are going to get how much? 1.55. Okay, 13 into 2.5 into 1.55. Fine. What more I can do? This is 65. So even this we have 13. So I'll take common from here also. So now we are left with 5 plus 2.5 into 1.55. Okay. Now we have to do this much calculation. So what this is going to be basically. Okay. Okay, fine. So let's move forward a little bit more. Now look at this question. A newspaper vendor sells three different kinds of periodical dailies, weeklies, and monthlies. Weeklies sell for rupees 12 at a profit of. Weeklies sell for 12 at a profit of 20%. Monthlies sell for 50 at a profit of 25%, while dailies sell at rupees 3 at a profit of 50%. If there is a government restriction on the total number of periodicals that one particular news vendor can sell and and Kalu, a newspaper vendor, has sufficient demand for all three types of periodical, what should we do to maximize the profit? So what this question is basically saying that there is a newspaper vendor and he is selling three different kinds of magazines, that is dailies, weeklies and monthlies. Okay, and the weeklies sell for rupees 12 and the profit is 20%. Okay, the profit is 20%. So what is 20% of this? Okay, 2.4 rupees, 2.4 rupees, and it is saying the monthly sell for 50 and this is monthly. Okay, sorry, this was weekly. Okay, fine. It is saying the weekly sell for, we use this W for weekly. So rupees 12 and the profit of rupees 20%. Okay. Guys, look at this question. We have a newspaper vendor sells three kinds of periodical, dailies, weeklies and monthlies. The weeklies sell for rupees 12 at a profit of 20%. Okay. So weeklies are selling for rupees 12 and the profit is 20%. So that means the cost price is how much? 10. Okay, the cost price is 10. The selling price is 12. Okay, fine. Then it is saying the monthly sell for rupees 50 at a profit of 25%. Okay, so this monthly is selling for rupees 50. Okay, 50. So basically 125 by 100 into cost price is equals to 50. So is equals to 50. So our cost price is how much? 50 into 100 divided by 125. Okay, divided by 125. So 25 5 times here and 25 4 times here. Okay, and this will be 5, this 10. Okay, so basically cost price is 40 rupees. Cost price is how much? 40 rupees. Fine, while the daily sell at rupees 3 at a profit of 50%. So this is very clear that our cost price is 1.5. How? Let us see. So this is selling at rupees 3, profit is 50%. So we can write 150 by 100 into cost price is equals to this 3. Okay, so this comes to be how much? 3 into 10 divided by 15. Okay, so this comes to be what? 3, this 1 times, this is 5 times. Okay, and this comes to be 2. Okay, this comes to be 2. Yes, so the cost price comes to be 2 here, because 50% of this 2 is what? 1, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is the selling price. So this is how you can calculate the cost price. Okay, so now you know the cost price for weeklies, monthlies, and dailies. So what is the cost price for weekly? Weekly you are getting the cost price as 10, monthlies you are getting the cost price as 40, and daily you are getting the cost price as 2. Okay, now this is saying has sufficient demand for all. What should we do? What should he do to maximize profits? Okay, now see, uh, what is the profit he's getting on each? Okay, what is the profit he is getting on each? For this one he is getting 2 rupees profit. For this one he is getting how much profit? 10 rupees profit. Okay, and for this one he is getting 1 rupee profit. Okay, for this one he is getting 1 rupee profit. So this is asking what should he do to maximize his profit. Okay, so see, if you are selling 10 dailies, you are getting 10 rupees. If you are getting one monthly, if you are selling one monthly, you are getting how much? You are getting 10 rupees as profit. Okay, and then if you are selling 5 weeklies, you are getting 2 rupees as profit. So maximum you sell what? Sell the maximum monthlies. So if you are able to sell maximum monthlies, so then you will get more profit. I hope everybody is clear with this thing, what we calculated here. Okay, so we have to sell basically maximum monthlies. How did we get this? See, we calculated profit for each one. Okay, we calculated profit for each one. So for weeklies, we got 2 rupees profit. For monthlies, we get 10 rupees profit per piece. And for dailies, we get how much profit? For dailies, we get 1 rupees profit. So see, if you saw that we are getting these three kind of profit, 20%, 25%, and 50%. So that does not mean because this one is having 50% profit, so we will sell maximum this. So we will have maximum profit, because when you are selling dailies, so we are getting only 1 rupee profit per day. But when you are selling monthlies, then you are getting 10 rupees profit. Okay, so actually this is the fundamental here, that it also depends on what you are selling. Okay, now look at this question. It is saying without restriction mentioned in the problem above, What should the newspaper vendor do to maximize his profit if his capital is limited? Okay, so let us see what was the restriction that is given. Okay, so the restriction basically is that one particular news vendor can sell, uh, there is a government restriction on the total number. Okay, तो जब टोटल नंबर पे रिस्ट्रिक्शन है तो डेफिनेटली हम मैगजीन से ज्यादा सेल करेंगे, ठीक है ना. वाई विल वी सेल डेलीज? ओके, वी विल नॉट सेल डेलीज. आई तो विल नॉट सेल एनी डेलीज. ओके, so without restriction mentioned in the problem, what should the newspaper vendor do to maximize his profit if his capital is limited? Okay, now see, capital is limited. Okay, so for example, I have let's say 100 rupees. Okay, I have, let's say, 100 rupees. Fine. So if I am selling, let's say, I have 100 rupees, and if I am selling weeklies, okay, so weeklies I was selling for how much? 12 rupees. 12 rupees. Okay, so how many weekly I will be able to sell here? Almost 8 weeklies. Okay, 8 point something weeklies. So how much profit am I going to earn? Okay, so I will be able to earn at least, if I will sell 8 weeklies, so I will be able to earn 2 rupees profit, that is 16 rupees profit. Okay, 16 rupees profit. Now if I am selling, let's say, monthlies. Okay, if I am selling monthlies, fine. So I will be selling 100 by sorry. Look at this question, what this is saying. Without restriction mentioned in the problem, what should the newspaper vendor do to maximize his profit if his capital is limited? Okay, so let us take that we have, let's say, 300 rupees capital. Okay, 300 rupees capital. है ना. So if I am taking 300 rupees, so I am selling, let's say, weeklies with all weeklies. Okay, so if I am selling 300 rupees weeklies, my cost price was 10, I calculated here. So I will be able to sell 30 weeklies, and on 30 weeklies I will get on each how much profit? 2 rupees profit. So I am getting 60 rupees profit. Okay, 60 rupees profit. Now I am selling monthlies. Okay, so 300 by 40, 300 by 40. So I will be able to sell how much? At least 7.5 weeklies. Okay, 7.5. This will be because this will be 215, and 15 divided by 2, 7.5. So if I multiply this by 10, because I am getting 10 rupees profit per, then I'll get 750 rupees 75 rupees profit by selling 300 weeklies. And if I am selling 300 dailies, each for 2 rupees each. Okay, 2 rupees each. So what is the profit I am getting basically? 150 I will be able to sell. I will be able to sell how many weekly? Sorry, how many dailies? 150 dailies. Okay, 150 dailies I will be able to sell because my cost price is 2 rupees. Fine. So profit that I am earning here is, on each weekly I am earning how much profit? 1 rupee profit. So how much I will be able to earn? 150 rupees. Okay, 150 rupees. So what I will do if my capital is limited? So I took 300 rupees to sell each one, and now you can see that what is the profit percentage you are getting. Okay, what is the profit percentage? So when your weeklies is of 10 rupees each, okay, so 30 weeklies you are selling, each weekly you are having 2 rupees profit, you are getting 60 rupees. For monthlies, if you are taking 300 rupees selling, 40 rupees, you will be getting how many weeklies? 7.5 weeklies, and for each you are getting 10 rupees profit, you are getting 75 rupees. Okay, and for this uh, what is this? This is daily. So you are getting 50% profit here, 50% profit. That means in 300, 2 rupees you bought. Cost price was 2 rupees for each weekly. So 150, sorry, for dailies. So 150 dailies you bought, and on 150 dailies, 1 rupee profit each. So 150 rupees profit. So you will sell maximum dailies. Okay, maximum dailies. Fine. So when there is restriction on the number of items that can be sold, so our answer was maximum monthlies. And when it is restriction on the capital, okay, the capital, so I am selling maximum dailies. Okay, maximum dailies. So I hope everybody is clear with this thing. Fine. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, look at this question, what this question is saying. Read the following and answer the questions that follow. A train journey from Patna to Delhi by Magad Express has 4 classes. Okay, so the fare of 4 classes are as follows. 3 tier AC 330, and number of berths per bogie is 72, number of bogies is 8. Okay, AC AC 3 tier is 898 है ना. Number of berth is 64, number of bogies is 2. AC 2 tier is 1388, number of berth is this much, this, and AC first is this. Okay, so I hope everybody is clear with this thing. A train journey from Patna to Delhi by Magad has 4 classes. तो ये 4 classes का आपको fare दिया हुआ है. It is given your fare, it is given. The number of bogies it is given, and the number of berth per bogie is given. Now let us see the question. Assume that Patna to Delhi distance is 1100 kilometer. Okay, 1100 kilometer. And assume that train does not stop at any station unless otherwise indicated. Uh, okay, running cost per kilometer of AC bogie is 25, non-AC bogie is rupees 10. Okay, so cost is what? AC for AC bogie it is saying rupees 25, and non-AC bogie is 10. Fine. So let us see. Assuming full occupancy, a bogie of which class exhibits the highest profit margin? Okay. So assuming full occupancy, a bogie of which class will exhibit the highest profit margin? Fine. Let us check this. See, now what is asked in the question? You are traveling 1100 kilometers. Okay, 1100 kilometers, fine. And see, let us first calculate the profit we are going to earn per bogie. Okay, so in this 3 tier, we have 330 rupees fare and 72 rupees. Okay, sorry, 72 berth. So we get this 330 into 72. So this will be 660, and this will be 0, and this will be 21, and this will be 23. So we will have this 0732. So we have this much rupees we are getting. Okay, this much rupees we are getting for this one. Okay, fine. For this one you will be getting how much rupees? 898 into 64. Okay, 898 into 64. Fine. Now, see, if you want to simplify this calculation, what you can do, you can multiply this by 800 into 60. Okay, 800 into 60, and what is left? The left is 98 into 4. Okay, so you can calculate this. You can add this and calculate this. Um, so we have this 330, we have this 72, we have this 899, we have this 64, we have this 1388, we have this 45. Okay, and then we have this 2691, and then we have this 26. Okay, this 2691, and then we have this 26. Now it is asking, um, the in the previous question it is asking that what is the maximum profit, which bogey is giving us the maximum profit. Okay, so you have to basically calculate what is the price we are getting when there is full occupancy. Okay, तो यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई ही करना पड़ेगा, देर इज नो अदर ऑप्शन देन दिस. ओके, सो ये 330 है, 330 into 72. So basically 72 into 33 you have to multiply. So this will come to be 6, this will come to be 21, this will come to be 216. Okay, so you are getting 673. So 23760. Fine. This is the price you are getting per bogie. How much you are spending? You are spending 11000. Okay, this much you are spending because non-AC bogie. What is the cost per kilometer? 10 rupees, so 1100. You are getting this much. Okay, so 23,000 profit you are getting. You are spending 1100. See, more than 100% profit you are getting here. Okay, now look at this one. So we have this AC 3 tire. 898 is the this, and we have 64 berth. Okay, so this is 898, almost 900 rupees. Okay, almost 900 rupees the fare is. And how much? 64. So this is 0036 and this is 0054. So how much you are getting? 57600. Now to calculate the exact thing, what I do is, see, only 2 I have taken extra. So I will subtract this by 128. Okay, 128. So this will come to be how much? This will come to be 2 here. This will come to be 7 here, and this will come to be 4 here. Okay, so 57472. Okay, 57472. This will be what? This will be AC 3 tire profit. So see what I did here basically, कि 900 से मल्टीप्लाई करके कैलकुलेट कर लिया, बहुत आसान हो गया. अदरवाइज ये 98 से करते तो इट कुड हैव बीन बहुत लेंथी जा. So this much profit I am getting by spending how much rupees? See, 25 rupees AC का था, तो ये वाली चीज. So 25 into 11 is what? 25, so that is 2750. Okay, 27500. This much I am spending, this much I am earning on AC 3 tire. Okay, and similarly, see, data interpretation kind of questions can be asked in many examination. Okay, and this is from a very reputed CAT book. Okay, so that means we have to do these kind of the questions. So you have 1388. Okay, and you have 45. So I'll take 1300. Okay, 1300 into 45. Let us do. So what is 45 into 13? This will be how much? This will be 15, 1, and this will be 135. Okay, 135, and this will be 45. So you have this 585. Okay, 585. Fine, 58500. But I have to minus something here. How much I have to minus? Sorry. See, it is just a little bit. Okay, see, do what here? Just multiply this by 1400. Okay, 1400 into 45. So what we'll get when we'll multiply by 1400? This will be 22. है ना? This will be 16, 18. This will be 45. Okay, 45. So this will be 0, 3, 630. Okay, this will come to be 630. Fine. Okay, so this will come to be 630 and 200. So this is the price we are getting, but I'll do what? I will subtract this. I will subtract from this, how much? 12 into 45. Okay, so what will I get? So 45 into 12 I'll do. So this will become 90 and 45. So 0. This will become 4. This will, so just subtract 540 by this. Okay, so what you are getting? 0. Um, and here you are getting 6, here you are getting 4, here you are getting 2, so 62460, 62460. And how much you are spending? 27500. Okay, 27500, because the same cost is there. Okay, now let's just calculate for this one, 2691, and the birth number of birth is is how much? 26. So let us take this as 2700. Okay, 2700 into 26. Fine. Let us take this. So we have this as 27 into 26. You have 6 7 are for 2. 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. Okay. And you have this 162 and 54. So you have this 2. You have this 0. You have this 6. So you have this 602. Okay, I hope this calculation is correct. Let's just do once more. Okay, fine. So you have this 27 into 26. So 7 6 are 42, 4 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 4 is 16, and this is 54. Okay, so 20, and this will be 702. Okay, 702 you are getting. So 702 you are getting. Fine. So basically you will be getting 7000, and I will just subtract 9. Okay, just subtract 9 more. Okay, from here, because I am taking this as 2700. Okay, so just subtract 9 into 26. So how much you are getting? 9 into 26. So 9 6 are 54, 5, 9 2 is 18, 18 plus 5 is 234. Just subtract 234 from here, so you will get the exact value. So you will get 6 here, you will get how much? You will get 6 here again. Okay, and this will be 1. You will get 9 here. So 69966 you are getting. Okay, and the spend you are getting is this much. Okay, the spend you are getting is this much. Now basically, see, we know we are getting our maximum profit on AC berth here. Okay, maximum profit on AC berth here. Fine. And uh, we are having even this as well. Okay, we are having as this as well. So हमारी प्रॉब्लम क्या है? हमसे मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट पूछा है. अभी आप देखो यहाँ पे व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट. ये 2 टाइम्स है. 11,000 रुपीज इफ यू स्पेंड per bogie, but you are earning 23760. That means you are earning one 760 more profit than 100%. Okay, then 100% profit. Okay, so that means 100% profit means almost 2 times ho gaya. Okay, so we are earning some 100 plus more percent profit, but you see everywhere you are earning more than 100% profit. तो ये वाला प्रॉफिट एंड ये वाला प्रॉफिट हमको कंपेयर करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज इन दीज टू वी नो दैट वी आर स्पेंडिंग द सेम थिंग, वी आर अर्निंग मोर. ओके, so let us compare this profit and this profit. So if you calculate, just you have to divide 23760 divided by 11,000. So you will get the profit as 2.16 times. Okay, that means 216% profit. Okay, 216% profit. And when you will do this, okay, this 2691 this AC first. Okay, so how much profit you are going to get? 69966 divided by 27500. Okay, 69966 divided by 27500. Okay, so this is 2.54 times. Okay, 2.54 times, that means this become 2.54 times. Okay, So, how much profit you are getting? Basically, in this we are getting more profit than this. So, AC first is our answer. Okay. So, we don't have to go for actual profit calculation here. What we have to do basically that we know that ये जो profit है वो AC first में सबसे ज़्यादा होगा. Okay. Okay, fine. So now this question is easily answerable to you. Now, see, it is asking assuming full occupancy in all the classes for a journey between Patna to Delhi, the profit margin as a percentage of running cost of the class showing the lowest profit is approximately. Okay, so lowest profit क्या है? Okay, what is the lowest profit? So यहाँ पे we will have to calculate the profit in each one of these. Okay, यहाँ पे we have to calculate the profit in each one of these. Okay. Fine. So let us just calculate the profit in each one of these. Now this is 23760. Our cost price is this much. So our profit is basically how much? Profit is basically this 23760 divided by 1100 divided by this. Okay, this is the profit. But I know for one thing that if I multiply 2.16 here, okay, 2.16 into this, I will get this. Okay, I know because that time I divided. तो अगर see there is one, जब ऐसा काफी बड़ा सा हो जाए तो we already know कि 2 times से ज़्यादा है, so 2.16 it is fine. Now if this is 2.16 time, then actually what is the profit percentage? Just minus 1 here. Okay, so the profit percentage will be 1.16 into 100. Okay, 1.16 into 100, that is 116%. Okay, similarly, if you look at this number, okay, similarly, if you look at this number, what is this? 27500. So just multiply 2750 into 2. What are you getting? 2 5s are 10, 1 carry. This will be 14, 15, and this will be 1. Okay, so 550 something. So this is also more than twice. Okay, so this is also more than 100% profit. Let's just calculate how much profit it is. So 57472, when you are dividing by 27500, okay, so you are getting approximately 2.08. Okay, 2.089 something. So see here how much will be the profit? 1.08%. Okay, here how much will be the profit? 1.08%. Similarly, if you divide this by this, how much will you get? Okay, so you will get, see, you can obviously divide this by this. I told you कि percentage के basis पे भी कर सकते हैं ना. So like 550 और जो बचा हुआ है उससे भी 2750 को वो कर दीजिए, because the calculation will go a little lengthy if I will try to explain it. So I am skipping the calculation here. Okay, so 62460 divided by 27500 is 2.27% profit. So that means the profit is 127% here. Okay, here we got 116% profit, here we got 108% profit, and here we are getting how much percentage profit? Here though we have a lot of profit. 69966 divided by 27500. So here we are getting the profit as 154%, because this will be 2.54 times. So this will be 154%, or you can calculate by this method also. इतना तो calculation करना ही पड़ेगा, ठीक है ना? So this is the profit percentage we are getting. So let's look at the various questions that are asked. So lowest profit कितना है? This 108%. So this will be a little bit, ये 2.089 आ रहा है, तो let us consider 109. So lowest profit is 109% approximately. Okay, lowest profit is 109%. Now it is asking what is the approximate profit for the railways in rupees if Magad runs at full occupancy on a particular day. Okay, if Magad runs at full occupancy on a particular day. Now see, for this, uh, what we have to do basically, so you have this, it is saying that a maximum profit you have to calculate if the Magad Express is running at full occupancy. Fine. तो यहाँ पे profit is 116%. Okay, 116%. So if we multiply 11,000 into 116, what are we going to get? We are talking about profit is, so profit we are calculating. So 11,000 into 116, okay, 11,000 into 116 divided by 100 you will do. So your profit is 12,760 per bogie. कौन सा? 3 tire. Okay, so in 3 tire you are having this much profit. Let's just clear this. Okay, so when we are having 116 rupees profit, okay, when we are having 116 rupees profit, we are earning this 12,670 rupees profit. Okay, 12,670 rupees profit we are earning. And how many bogies we are having of this one? Sorry, how many bogies we are having of this one? We are having 8 bogies. Okay, we are having 8 bogies here. So for 8 times profit we are having. Okay, 8 times profit we are having because it is talking about full occupancy. Okay, because it is talking about full occupancy. Now look at this. Okay, okay, so it is asking what is the approximate profit for the railways in rupees if Magad Express run at full occupancy. So, एक bogie से you are having this much profit, okay, and there are 8 bogies, okay, there are 8 bogies. So, one thing is this much, then you are having 108 rupees profit. Okay, 108 rupees profit on how many rupees? 27500. Our cost price was this. Okay, so profit is how much? 108. Okay, so basically यहाँ पे profit कितना होगा? 27500 plus 8% of 2750. Okay, so this will be approximately how much? 27500 into so this will come to be 29700. Okay, 29700. Then you have to multiply by number of bogies. Okay, then you have to multiply by number of bogies. Similarly, 127%. 2750 ka we have to multiply, and then we have to multiply by number of bogies, and similarly 154%. So if we add all these, then we will get our profit. Okay, if we add all these, then we'll get our profit. So this is how we can calculate. Now this is simple addition and nothing else, so definitely you can calculate it. Okay, so let's move on. Look at the logic of next question. Now look at this. The percentage of the total profit that comes out of the AC bogie is approximately. So there we are taking the percentage profit. Okay, percentage, sorry, there we are calculating the total profit. Okay, the total profit, and we know the cost price of running the train, so we can definitely calculate the profit. Okay, so this is what we are doing in this question. And saying the highest revenue for a journey from Patna to Delhi will always be generated by a 3-tier AC 3 tier or AC 2 tier. Okay, and cannot be determined, it is saying. So, highest revenue we are talking about. Now, the highest revenue is generated in AC. From these three, it will be generated in AC 2 tier. Okay, because we are not talking about. Um, we are not talking about what we are not talking about see this question is asking the highest revenue for a journey from Patna to Delhi will always be generated by. Okay, so you go back, you look at you go back, you look at this thing. Okay, so here highest revenue we are talking about. So when you multiply 330 into 72, you got something 23760, I guess. Okay, then you have 8 bogies. So this will generate this much of revenue, and then here you got some you have 2 bogies. This will generate some revenue when you multiply this by 2. Now because I have rubbed you guys, when you are writing, when you were solving this question, you might have noted all the facts and figures. So definitely now you have those facts, you can multiply and compare ki which one is giving the highest revenue, whether this one or this one. Okay, or this one. तो बेसिकली करना क्या है कि आप ये इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इससे, तो आपको रेवेन्यू पता चल रहा है. यू नो द रेवेन्यू हियर व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई दिस cost by the number of berths at full occupancy, and then you multiply this by number of bogies. So total revenue from the bogies you are getting. Okay, similarly total revenues from this bogies you are getting, and total revenues from this bogie you are getting. So jab you will get all the revenue from these bogies, so what will happen, what exactly will happen is that you will be having a number, है ना, revenue for all these three which is asked in the question. You can compare and then you can tell the answer. Okay, so I will provide answer for this question. Now only just calculation is left, so you can do that. Okay, fine. So I think this newspaper question we already did. Now let's see one more question. So these questions are a little bit on the data interpretation side. Look at this question. It is saying read the following and answer the questions that follow. The Coca-Cola company is setting up a plant for manufacture and sale of the soft drink. The investment for the plant is rupees 10 crore to be invested in plant machinery, advertising, infrastructure, etc. The following information is available about different bottle size plant. So what this is saying, read the following, answer the questions that follow. Coca-Cola company is setting up a plant for manufacture and sale of the soft drink. Okay. And the investment is 10 crore. The following information is available. Okay, so what is the information available? That bottle size when it is 300 ml, cost of bottling is 2 rupees, cost of liquid is 0.6 rupees, transportation is 10 paise per bottle. Okay, and sale price is 10, dealer margin is 3. Okay, ये dealer का margin है. It is not your margin if you are a company owner. Then you have 500 ml, then you have this rupees 5. This is the cost and ये sale price है, and all of this data is given. So context तभी बनता है जब हम question देखेंगे ना. What is the question saying? For which bottle should Coca-Cola try to maximize sales to maximize its profit? Assume that the total number of liters of Coca-Cola sold is constant irrespective of the breakup on the sales of the term of the bottle size. Okay. So what it is saying, कि for which bottle should Coca-Cola try to maximize sales to maximize its profit? Assume that the total number of liters of Coca-Cola sold is constant irrespective of the breakup of the sales in terms of the bottle size. Okay, so calculate करते हैं. Now अभी देखिए, this question is very similar to what? See, we are selling the same quantity of liquid. Okay, but because of the price of bottling, okay, we are getting different amounts of profit. So the same question this is asking, ये क्या पूछ रहा है कि for which bottle should Coca-Cola try to maximize its sales to maximize its profit, assume that total number of liters of Coca-Cola is constant. Okay. तो लेट अस कैलकुलेट कि कौन सी बॉटल में मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट जनरेट हो रहा है. ओके, तो उसी का सेल हम मैक्सिमम करेंगे बिकॉज द क्वांटिटी ऑफ लिक्विड सोल्ड इज कांस्टेंट. ओके, सो लेट अस से नाउ देखो वी हैव दिस 300 ml bottle. Okay, and what is the bottling cost? 2 rupees. What is the cost of liquid? 0.6 rupees. Okay, what is the transportation cost? 10 paise per bottle. What is the sale price? 10, and ये dealer margin 3. तो यहाँ पे profit. Guys, look at this question. What this question is saying. The question says that the Coca-Cola company is setting up a plant for manufacture and sale of the soft drink. The investment for the plant is rupees 10 crore to be invested in plant machinery, advertising, infrastructure, etc. The following information is available about the different bottle sizes planned. So what is the information available? That cost of bottling is 2 rupees. Okay, cost of bottling is 2 rupees. Cost of liquid is 0.6 rupees in case of 300 ml bottle. Cost of transportation is 10 paise. Sale price is 10 rupees. Dealer margin is 3 rupees. Okay, so dealer margin is 3 rupees. Now, what is basically that? The following information is available. So basically we have to find out the cost price. We know that the selling price is 10. So we can calculate the profit here, and based on this we can answer different kinds of question in the comprehension that will follow. Okay, so let us just calculate the cost of this 300 ml bottle and what is the profit in this 300 ml bottle. So bottling cost is how much? 2 rupee. Cost of liquid is how much? 0.6. Transportation cost is 0.10, and dealer margin is 3 rupee. Okay, so the total cost comes to be 2.7 plus 3, that is 5.7. Okay, 5.7, and what is the profit here? 4.3. Cost price is 5.7. Profit is 4.3. So 4.3 divided by 5.7 is our profit percentage. Okay, so remember this here, 4.3 divided by 5.7 is our profit percentage. Now let's calculate for this. For 500 ml bottle, we have this 5 plus 1. Okay, 6, 6.15, and dealer margin is 6, so 12.15. So profit is how much? 5.85. So 5.85 divided by 12.15 into 100 will be our profit percent. Okay, will be our profit percent. And let's talk about this. So we have bottling cost as 10. We have cost of liquid as 3. We have this transportation cost as 0.20. And dealer margin as 12. Okay, so basically 25.20 will be our this cost. Okay, so this will come to be how much? 25.20 it is there. So this will come to be how much? We have this profit will come to be how much? 40 minus 25.20. Okay, so this will come to be 14.80 rupees profit, and 14.80 divided by 25.20 will be our profit percent. Okay, will be our profit percent. So let us calculate what is the profit percent for this one 300 ml bottle. So that is basically 4.3 divided by 5.7. Okay, so 4.3 divided by 5.7, so we are getting approximately, you will get 79.6% profit here. Okay, here how much profit you will get? 5.85 it is there. Okay, 5.85 divided by 12.15. Okay, so you know that 12.15 अगर यहाँ पे 6 होता तो 50% प्रॉफिट होता, लेकिन ये 5.85 है, तो दिस इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 48.1% प्रॉफिट. ओके, 48.1% प्रॉफिट. ओके, and this is 1.5 liter we are selling. Okay, And how much profit we are getting? How much profit we are getting here? We are getting here 14.80 rupees profit on 25.20, on 25.20. So what is the profit coming here to be? 58.7. Okay, 58.7. Now here only the division is left, nothing else than that. So here you are getting 79.6 rupees profit. Here you are getting how much? 48 rupees profit, 48.1% profit, and here you are getting 58.7% profit. Fine. Now let us see what the question is asking. Okay, so for which bottle should Coca-Cola try to maximize its sales, to maximize its profit? Assume that the total number of liters of Coca-Cola sold is constant irrespective of the breakup of the sales in terms of bottle sizes. Okay, so because total number of Coca-Cola sale is to be constant, now in 300 ml when you are selling, you are getting almost 80% profit. When you are selling 500 ml, your profit percentage decreases, and you are selling 1.5 a liter, your profit percent increases. So obviously you will sell majorly 300 ml 300 ml wali bottles. Okay, so this is it. So definitely we can calculate this. Okay, because see, when we are selling 5 times this, okay, तो वहां पे हमारा ये जो 1.5 लीटर वाला जो है उसमें प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज गिर जाता है ना? तो वी विल बी सेलिंग व्हाट? We will be selling this 300 ml rupees bottle only. Okay. Now, see, if the company sells only 300 ml bottles in the first year, how many bottles should sell to recover the investment made in the first year only? Okay. Now, देखिए यहाँ पे in the question it is said कि उन्होंने 10 crore rupees invest किए. Okay. They have invested rupees 10 crore. Okay. And the company is selling only 300 ml bottle, and on each bottle you are earning a profit of 4.3. Okay, 4.3 rupees. So each bottle you are earning a profit of 4.3 rupees, 300 ml की bottle. So x into 4.3 is equals to 10 crore. Okay, x into 4.3 is equals to 10 crore. Okay, so basically how much you are getting? 10 crore divided by 4.3. That much bottle we have to sell. So that will come to be 10 divided by 4.3 करेंगे, है ना? So this, you know, 10 divided by 4 is 2.5. Okay, 2.5. And then ये 4.3 है. अभी देखिए ये जो दो ऑप्शंस हैं 232558140 and 232558114, these are very closest to our answer because this is 4.3, तो ये इससे तो वही होगा, ठीक है ना? इससे तो 2.5 से तो कम ही होगा ये, बट हमको ये guys, look at this thing. So we are given this. So see, it is saying if the company sells only 300 bottles in the first year, how many bottles should it sell to recover the investment made? So we have basically 10 crore. Okay, 10 crore investment we did, and on each bottle we are getting profit of 4.3 rupees. Okay, so x into 4.3 should be equal to 10 crore. Okay, x is into 4.3 should be equal to 10 crore. So basically, if mine was 4 rupees, if my profit was 4 rupees, then I will sell how many bottles to earn 10 crore? Okay, so I will have to sell 2.5 crore bottles, है ना? 2.5 crore bottles to earn how much rupees? 10 crore rupees. Fine, because 2.5 crore into 4 will give me 10 crore. Okay, and then because this is 4.3, okay, because this is 4.3, so यानी ये कुछ कम हो जाएगा, कितना कम हो जाएगा? It a little less than 2.5 crore. तो यहाँ पे सी वी डोंट हैव टू डू द कैलकुलेशन, दिस विल नॉट बी अवर आंसर बिकॉज ये 32 नहीं आएगा, because 10 divided by 2 4 when we will do we will get 2.5, but this is 4.3, so we will get less than 2.5. Okay, now we have to decide whether this one or this one. So if you see, all the digits are same in this one, okay, and this one only one more zero is there. Okay, now we have 10 crore, and this is how much crore? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. In 10 crore you have 8 zeros. So this is basically, I think, 23 crore. Okay, this is 23 crore, because this is how much? 23 crores 25 lakh 58,140. तो 23 crores bottle थोड़ी ना sell करनी पड़ेगी, we will have to sell this much bottle. So this is how much? 2 crore 32 lakh 55,814. So 2.32 crore bottles we are going to sell. So basically we can calculate by this. Okay, we can calculate by this. So we didn't calculate or divide, we didn't do anything, we did not calculate or divide here. Okay, we just used our brain, seeing the option what can be the possible answer. So calculation, as far as possible, please try to simplify it by this method. All right, now let's move on. Now see what it is saying. If sales of 300 bottles to 500 ml bottles is 4:1, and there is no sale of 1500 ml bottles, how many 300 ml bottles will be required to recover the investment? Okay, so now if you know, when we were selling 300 ml rupees bottle, we were earning 4.3 rupees per bottle, and when we were earning 500 ml rupees bottle, so we were earning how much? We were earning 5.85 rupees per bottle. Now we have to earn rupees 10 crore required investment. Okay, and it is saying there is no sale of 1500 ml bottle, and this is sold in the ratio 4:1. Okay, now it is saying basically how many 300 ml bottles are required to recover the investment. Okay, how many 300 yeah, to recover the investment. तो basically यहाँ पे क्या है कि if the sales of bottle is in 4:1 ratio. Okay, so 4:1 ratio. Fine. So for example, it is saying if 5 bottles are sold, okay, if 5 bottles are sold, then 1 bottle is of 500 ml and 4 bottles are sold of 300 ml. This is basically, this is saying, okay, now it is asking how many 300 bottles are required to recover the investment. Okay, so in this basically, see, 4 into x into 4.3 plus 5 into x into 1, okay, into 5.85 will give you how much? 10 crore. Will give you how much? 10 crore. So from here you will have to calculate your x, okay, and that x multiply, that x will give you the number of bottles. 4 into x will give you the number of bottles. Okay, so this is basically what? 4 into 4.3 plus 5 into 5.85 divided by 10. Now this is coming to be how much? You have 4 into 4.3 you will do, so it will be equal to 17.2, because 4 3s are 12 and this will be 17.2, and you have this 5.85. Okay, so this is approximately coming to be 17.2 and 5.85. So this will be 50. This will be 2223. So you have this 23.05 into x is equals to 10. Okay, is equals to 10. Just divide 10 crore. Okay, 10 crore. Just divide this 10 crore, okay, by this 23.05. Okay, so how we can do this? Basically, when we divide this 10 crore by 23.05, so basically 100 से divide करना है, So put 8 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros divided by this 23.05. Fine. So this x comes out to be how much? 43. Okay, because 4 times it will get, so 43 lakh 38,394 you will be getting. Okay, you can calculate this. Now this calculation is easy because ये क्या है, ये almost 100 ही तो है, 100 divided by 23.05 करना है, ठीक है ना? So this now what this is saying, you will be having 4 times this is x, so these are the number of 500 ml bottles sold. Okay, these are the number of 500 ml bottles sold. So number of these bottles, 300 ml bottle will be sold will be 4 times. Now this is 43 lakh 38,000 this much. अभी यहाँ पे multiply करने की we don't there is no need because just multiply this by 4. So we know this will come to be 17.353580 around. Okay, so you can definitely multiply this and check, but I think there is no need. Okay, I think there is no need. So I hope everybody is clear with this thing. No, I think 43 lakh. So somewhat 1 crore bottles will be sold. Okay, so this will be our required answer. Fine. I hope everybody is clear with this thing. Let's see. Let's look at the next question. Now, what is the next question saying? The total number of both types to be sold in India in order to recover the whole investment is. Okay, so it is saying what? Ki in earlier question, the total number of bottles to be sold of both types. Okay, so usme we don't have to do anything other than ki just we calculated x, just multiply 5 into x. Okay, so I think if it will come back because I have rubbed the number. Okay, so we were getting this 43 lakh 38,394 if we multiply 5 into this. Okay, because total number of bottles are how much? 5x. Okay, तो इसमें अगर हम 5 multiply कर देंगे तो we'll get our answer. Okay, so we'll get our answer. So in because this is asking this one, ठीक है ना? So total number of questions, so this will come to be approximately 2169. Just let us multiply and see. Okay, let us multiply and see. So this will come to be 43,038,394 into 5 will give us this number 21,691,975. So your answer will be this. You just have to multiply here. Okay. Okay, fine. So already you know now what is the trick. Now look at this. If we add administrative cost of ₹1 per liter, which bottle size will have the maximum profitability? Okay. अभी देखिए, what happened here is they are saying add ₹1 to the administrative cost. Now earlier we were having 4. We add administrative cost of ₹1 per liter, which bottle will have the maximum profitability? Okay, so earlier we were having 4.3 rupees profit in 300 ml bottle. We were having in 500 ml bottle we were having 5.85 rupees profit. Okay, and in a 1.5 liter bottle we were having some 14.80 rupees profit. So now profit will decrease in each one of them. So this will become 3.3, this will become 4.85, and this will become 13.80. Okay, now what was the cost for each of this? So I think यहाँ पे 1.5.4 था, यहाँ पे 12 point something था, 12.80 something, and यहाँ पे 25.20 था. Okay, so this was these were the profit these were the cost price for each. Okay, so now definitely you can tell which bottle size will have maximum profitability. So indifferent to nahi hoga. Okay, those will be not at all indifferent. Abhi aap 3.3 ko if you are dividing by 5, then you are getting here 66%. Earlier you were getting 79%. If you are just talking about this 4.85 and 12.80. Okay, so here your profitability decreases by, earlier we were having 38, now we are having 37.8%. Okay, and for this 13.80 it has become and for the cost of 25.20, so the profit here now becomes 54%. Okay, so decrease in profitability is least in this 1.5 liter bottle. Okay, so which bottle size will have the maximum profitability? It is still this one. Okay, it is still this one, but we have seen the maximum decline in profitability in this only. Okay, maximum decline in profitability in this one only. So I hope everybody is clear with this thing. Now let's look at this question. Hotel Chanakya in Chanakyapuri has a fixed monthly cost of 1 lakh. 1 lakh it is? Yes, it is 1 lakh. Look at this question. It is saying Hotel Chanakya in Chanakyapuri has a fixed monthly cost of rupees this much. The advertising cost is rupees 10,000, okay, per month, and it has 5 AC rooms which cost rupees 600 per day, 10 non AC rooms which cost rupees 350 per day. Direct cost are rupees 100 per day for an AC room and rupees 50 for non-AC room. In the month of April, the occupancy rates of AC room is 50% while non-AC room is 45%. Find the profit of the hotel in rupee for the term April, okay, 2020. Now what this question is saying that we have this, okay, fixed monthly cost. ये चाणक्यपुरी में जो होटल है उसका फिक्स्ड मंथली कॉस्ट कितना है? दिस इज आई थिंक 10 लाख रुपीज. ओके, है ना, 00 00. ओके, सो 10,000 है ना. Look at this question, guys. It is saying Hotel Chanakya in Chanakpuri has a fixed monthly cost of 1 lakh rupees. Okay, 1 lakh rupees. Fine. Fixed monthly cost is 1 lakh rupees. Advertising cost is rupees 10,000 rupees per month. 5 AC rooms which cost 600 per day. So 5 AC rooms है इसके पास. And we have 10 non-AC rooms which cost rupees 350 per day. Okay, we have 10 AC rooms that 10 non-AC rooms that cost 350 per day. Direct cost are rupees 100 per day for an AC room and rupees 50 per day for non-AC room. Okay, so these are the direct costs that are involved. 100 for this and 50 for this non-AC room. Okay, in the month of the April 2020, the occupancy rate is 50% while that of non-AC room is 45%. Okay, that of non-AC room is 45%. Find the profit of the hotel in rupee terms for the month of April. Now see, this is a lengthy question. Why? Because there are a lot of cost. So first let us calculate the cost price. So fixed cost, so we have 1 lakh rupees. Okay, fixed cost this is plus advertising cost we have 10,000. Saying that Hotel Chanakya in Chanakyapuri has a fixed monthly cost of 1 lakh rupee. The advertising cost is 10,000 per month. It has 5 AC rooms which cost rupees 600 per day. 10 non-AC rooms which cost rupees 350 per day. Direct cost are 100 rupees per day for an AC room and 50 rupees for a non-AC room in the month of April 2020. The occupancy rate of AC room is 50% while that of non-AC room is 45%. Find the profit of the hotel in rupee terms for the month of April 2020. Fine. So what this is basically saying that we have this 1 lakh rupees. Okay, this 1 lakh rupee. Fine. And the advertising cost is 10,000. Okay. So fixed cost we will add. Basically in this question they are asking profit or loss. Okay. So what is our revenue minus what is our cost? Okay. That will give us profit. So first of all let us calculate the cost. So we have this fixed cost. Kitna? 1 lakh. Okay, we have this fixed cost as 1 lakh. Fine. Then we have this 10,000 rupees advertisement cost. Then there are some direct cost also. Abhi direct cost is rupees 100 per day. So 100 into how many rooms are there? 5. Okay. Into 5 and for how many days? It is saying direct cost for 100 rupees per day. So 30, but direct cost will only be involved when that room will be occupied. So that will be divided by 1 by 2. Okay. For AC room, for non-AC room, direct cost is 50. How many rooms are there? 10. For how many days? 30 and divided by 1 by 2. So this will come equal to be how much? I think 7500 because ये 15 हो जाएगा 15 क्या हो जाएगा 75 so 7500 similarly this one will be how much this will become 15 so 15 into 1 15 into 5 so this will also be 7500 so total cost this much is 15,000 this much is 10,000 okay so 25 1,25,000 cost is there. Okay, 1,25,000 cost is there. Now let us calculate our revenue. Okay, so what is the revenue? 600 rupees per room we are getting, but our occupancy rate is how much? 50%. So divided by 2 into. Okay, this will not be divided by 2 actually there is some mistake here. This is 45%, so 45 by 100 you do here. Okay, so this will get cancelled. Okay, there is a little mistake here. Okay, so we are having how much cost? 1 lakh rupee we are having this fixed cost. 10,000 rupees we are having this advertisement cost. Okay, and we are having how much? We are having this for 5 AC rooms we are having how many? What cost? 5 AC rooms 600 into sorry for 5 AC rooms we are having some direct cost. So what is the direct cost? 100 rupee per day. So this 100 rupee cost for an AC room, but the occupancy is half, so half, and for 30 days so we are having this. Okay, so this is so how much cost you are having? 7500 for non AC room. 10 non-AC room, how much is the cost? 10 into 50 into 45 by 100 into 30 because per day cost hai. So this 0 will get cancelled, this 0 will get cancelled. So basically what cost we are talking about? This 115 to 45. Okay, 115 to 45. So this is how much? This is 750. Okay, and this is 600. Okay, this is 600. So how much we are getting? 6750. So this becomes 6750. So total cost this is 0 5 12 and this becomes 14. Okay, this becomes 14,250. So we have 15 this is we are having 24,250 and 1,24,250 is our what cost? Is the cost of all of the our cost that we are having in running the hotel. And for this how much cost we are having? Okay, revenue how much we are earning basically. So revenue is we are having this 600 rupees tariff and 5 AC rooms. Occupancy is half for 30 days. Okay, for 30 days. The month of April is, I think, 30 days only. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So this will be equal to how much? This will be equal to this 300. So the cost is 4500. Okay, so the cost is 4500. And for this, how much is the cost? 350 into 10, but the occupancy is how much? 45%. So 45 by 100 for how many days? For 30 days. Okay, for how many days? For 30 days. So this zero get cancelled, this zero get cancelled. How much we are left with? We are having this um, 350 into 45 into 3. Okay, so let us calculate this. 350 into 45 is how much? 0. This is 25, this is 2, this is 15, 17, this is 0, this is 4 5 are 20, this is 12 and 14. Okay, so So how much we are getting here? We are getting this 15,750. Okay, 15,750, and into we have to do 3 as well. Okay, so let's just multiply by 3. So we will get this 15 here. This 7 into 3 is 21, 22. This is 15 plus 2 is 17, and this we are getting 47250. Okay, so we are getting 47250. So total cost is how much? Um, Total cost is this will add, so 0 5 2. This is how much? 12, and this is 92250. Okay, you just subtract here 92250. What are you getting? 0 0 0. Okay, this will come to be 2, this will come to be 3. So your 32,000 is your answer. So I hope everyone is clear with this thing. All right, this is up for this class. We'll see you in the next class.